handheld head. 2 times the massage force. 14 sprays? Let's try this out. What the heck? 2 times the massage force. I'm gonna see if it works better than the one I bought, what was it, about 5 years ago? About time for me to upgrade. Or change out. It even has a conservation switch. Nice. Is there a wrench? Okay, so it's pretty straightforward. Let's put this on. Attached to shower head. Okay, because of washers and stuff. It's all plastic. Don't exactly like that, but it's okay. This is gonna go up. Back. Okay, let's do this. Okay, so here I have my nearly 10 or 5 to 10 year old shower head, and let's see how fast the water goes on this one. Not bad. And if I eco mode is like that. Eco shower massage, which kind of sucks. More massage. Kind of okay, and my water pressure is kind of low. Not bad. Now let's switch this thing out. I could technically just swap it, you know, and stuff, but I'm gonna just, since I already bought the new one, I might as well take the whole thing off. Pretty simple design. I think this was a Waterpik too, but as you can see inside, so the gaskets and stuff, it's actually worn away now and it's starting to leak. So this thing was leaking and everything was leaking, so it's about time to switch out anyways. It's been a good probably 10 years, I think. It's pretty cool. So let's go ahead and screw on the new one. Oof. There goes that filter. And make sure it's nice and clean. And let's pop in the new one. Looks pretty straightforward and simple. Let's make sure there's a washer in there. You can probably see it. It's a little washer. So screw right on. Probably need a wrench, that's why I need to go get it. I don't think I need to turn it that tight, but also it's nice and snug, should be fine. Then all I need to do is move this thing back forward, like so. Yeah, I think I have, this is, and that's really about it. The good thing is that they actually have like a float switch on the side. But let's go ahead and do it. Full flow, I think. Let's see if it works. Yep, and that's how it is. There you have it. All done. Let's see how fast it goes compared to the other one. Those are tight. And let's turn on the water. This is the furry mode, I guess. Okay. Huh. Leaks on the side, which is not that cool. That's okay. This is pretty normal for the shower, a white shower. Okay. The spray, I don't like how it's dripping a lot. That's it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll probably be using this most of the time, or probably this. Or this. Probably this more often. Okay, I don't see any more pressure coming out of this thing, but yeah. Oh well, that's it, guys. So, go ahead and stop the water. Wait, you know what? This is with that water adjustment on the top. So, if I close it all the way down, that's what you get. There's just a valve in the front and the top to slow down the water. I'm thinking that's kind of interesting, but not really that useful. So overall, not bad. It's a good replacement for a 10-year-old one, but not that much better. The water power, even with this thing fully open, you know, there's a valve switch here. Fully open, fully closed, it just basically acts to stop your water, which is nice and nifty if you want to save some water. But at the same time, it doesn't really go that much more power. I wish it had some sort of way to actually force air into it to make it a lot more powerful in terms of the stream, but it really doesn't. It's just virtually the same as the one I had 10 years ago. Virtually the same, except this one actually had more power in the middle section, where it gave a nice, strong, you know, hard stream. This one doesn't really. It just basically, it's nice, but not that much better of an improvement. For 40 bucks, probably not. This was, I don't know, probably 20, 30 bucks back in the day. But let's try it out. Let's see what it is. It's probably very comfortable as a large shower, but 40 bucks, I'm not sure if it's really that worth it, but I think it's okay. Okay, thanks a lot guys for watching. See ya.